In this tutorial, I will show you how to create hanging text effect in Canva. Firstly, create a design with 1280 width and 720 height. Change the artboard color. I will select one gradient color. Go to Text tool, add a heading and write letter. Change the font and color, just like this. Go to Effect and add some shadow and follow these settings. Make some copies of text and change letters. One by one, adjust all letter like this. Go to Elements and search Circle and pick one circle just like this. Go search bar and search line and pick one line and adjust like this. Now make copy and adjust into all layers. Hanging text effect is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.